Welcome to Dahua Academy. Today we will learn how to use Dahua PTZ keyboard with USB connection. You would require a 12-volt power adapter and a USB to USB male connector cable. Both items are supplied with keyboard package. To start, first, connect power adapter to keyboard and USB cable from keyboard to client workstation. To test the keyboard, load a PTZ camera on client workstation. Check the PTZ movement with soft keys in client workstation. Now we can initiate the keyboard. Make the power and USB connections. Once power is connected, keyboard will automatically start. Since keyboard is connected via USB, it will start in USB mode. Use joystick to navigate to password and fill correct password by keypad. And hit enter to confirm. Hit enter again to confirm the view mode. Now you can use the joystick controller to move the camera. In case camera does not respond to controller directions, you may need to reset the keyboard mode. To reset the mode, keep pressing the shift key unless the keyboard shut down. You need to press it roughly 10 seconds. The keyboard will restart automatically. After reboot, follow the same procedure as before. Fill the password and hit enter. Hit enter again to confirm view mode. Now select a PTZ camera on screen and navigate the joystick controller to move the camera. Camera should able to move now as per joystick controller directions. That's all for this video. Thanks for using Dahua products.